ARC थी उसने करीब 20 रिपोर्ट सबमिट की थी, ठीक है। तो जो सेकंड ARC बनी, क्योंकि वो आउटडेटेड हो गई थी, कुछ पॉलिसी इंप्लीमेंटेशन थी वो इंप्लीमेंट हो गई थी, तो नाउ सिंस सोसाइटी इवॉल्व, ठीक है, मार्केट इवॉल्व, है ना, अभी AI आ गया है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, तो नाउ कमिटी विल बी फॉर्म टू रिकमेंड सम strategies, okay, on these new sectors, ठीक है। तो in the same way second ARC was formed in 2005 and it has actually submitted 15 reports, ठीक, कितनी reports? 15. The term which is used most frequently, that is second ARC, that is second Administrative Reform Commission, okay. So once again let me start with the introduction about the second ARC. So note down some points about second ARC, so that once I recommend that this is according to second ARC, so you should know what is second ARC, right? So actually they are Administrative Reform Commission, okay. There are actually till now we have 2 reform commissions, okay. First was outdated. Why? Yes, because that was very old. It was formed in 1966, right? And now the new Reform Commission was formed in 2005, okay, under the chairmanship of Veerappa Moily during the Congress government. That is why Congress chairman was there. Are you getting this point? So these commissions were actually entitled, or the mandate given to them was to suggest some reforms in what? In public administration. So whenever the committee is formed, right, so there are certain mandate means there are certain key indicators or tasks on which they had to work, ठीक है। तो बताया गया कि इतने इंडिकेटर्स हैं, इन पे आपको मुझे रिकमेंडेशन देनी है, किसको? गवर्नमेंट को, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट जो ARC थी उसने करीब 20 रिपोर्ट सबमिट की थी, ठीक है। तो जो सेकंड ARC बनी, क्योंकि वो आउटडेटेड हो गई थी, कुछ पॉलिसी इंप्लीमेंटेशन थी वो इंप्लीमेंट हो गई थी, तो नाउ सिंस सोसाइटी इवॉल्व, ठीक है, मार्केट इवॉल्व, है ना, अभी AI आ गया है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, तो नाउ कमिटी विल बी फॉर्म टू रिकमेंड सम strategies, okay, on these new sectors, ठीक है। तो in the same way second ARC was formed in 2005 and it has actually submitted 15 reports, ठीक, कितनी reports? 15, ठीक है। So 15 actually, where's pen drive? Okay, so what we have to do, actually we do not have to go through the entire report, okay, but some reports are actually very important to go through, and what you have to do, you have to go through only summary of those reports, ठीक है। पूरी रिपोर्ट पढ़ने मत बैठ जाना, ठीक है। Now these are those reports. अब देखो, right to information. If you want to know more about what government says, see that would actually use in your answer writing, like what second ARC recommends. So note down some points what second ARC recommends and put down into your answers, like according to the second ARC, ठीक है। तो जितने भी पॉइंट्स है, जैसे जो भी रिपोर्ट का टाइटल है देख लो उसके अकॉर्डिंग, ठीक है। अभी नोट नहीं करना है कुछ भी, मैं केवल दिखा रहा हूँ कि कौन कौन सी रिपोर्ट्स एक्चुअली सबमिट हुई हैं, ठीक है। तो हर एक टॉपिक पे अलग अलग, जैसे आप डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट जब पढ़ोगे ना, तो डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट पे जो रिपोर्ट्स है, तो वहां से क्या सेकंड ARC क्या बोल रही है, ठीक है। यस, हाँ, ओके, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? Okay, so see, first report talks about RTI, okay. So when I will use the term according to second ARC defines RTI as, or second ARC recommends, okay. So I'm talking about this report, okay. Second ARC submitted some reports on which first report is based upon the mandate of RTI. So unlocking human capital that will be required for social justice, okay. Then crisis management is also for governance, and if you have done the ethics classes also, then this report is important for ethics in governance, right? So we are talking about the third topic in governance, that is role of civil services, okay. So when we talk about the role of civil services in a democracy, it means we are talking about the administrative part, and the role of civil services in ethics, it means the internal behavior, the ethical part of the civil servant, okay. Though both are important, but actually governance covers more about the administrative part, ठीक है, इट एक्चुअली द आउटकम ऑफ एथिकल पार्ट ऑफ बिहेवियर, राइट। अगर आप करप्ट हैं तो कैसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फाइन होगा, है ना। तो एथिकल पार्ट क्या है, करप्शन, ठीक है, और आउटकम क्या है, इनएफिशिएंसी। इज इट क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन? हाँ, तो देखो ये ऐसे लोकल गवर्नेंस, ठीक है, पॉलिटी में लोकल गवर्नेंस, पब्लिक ऑर्डर, दे ऑल आर पार्ट ऑफ गवर्नेंस, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट फॉर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन, देन कॉम्बैटिंग टेररिज्म, इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी के लिए टॉपिक मिलेगा यहाँ से, ठीक है। Now again, refurbishing of personal administration and scaling new heights, promoting e-governance. So I will take some points from this for e-governance topic from this report also. Citizen-centric administration, we will discuss today itself this, ठीक है. And organizational structure of government of India, you have done in this in our polity segment, ठीक है, कि क्या structural reforms होनी चाहिए, right? Strengthening financial management system, economy, state and district administration, again governance, and the reports of administrative reforms commission, ठीक है. This is summary. Okay, so in the market also, in our market ORN, you will find that there are certain publications and their coachings also provide the summary. Okay, so the minimum summary, I mean the most crisp summary you would pick up, ठीक है, जो भी है, लेकिन पूरी रिपोर्ट्स पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Those who have planned for 5 years, then they can go for that. Okay, is it clear? So this is actually about second ARC